sa atong presidente karon nga bibiya na kanako si Leon siya, dili naman ato na siya makita physically, magapangutan na sulupunta sa atong kaugalingon nganong dali araman.
Can you still remember the promise that we'll never ever leave? Never leave. But time just flew so fast. You said I'd be your last, but who is he? And what are we?
Daghang mga butang nga atong ipangutana sa kinabuhi. Apan sa katapusan, kung ang tanan ng mga pangitanon sa atong kinabuhi, atong mamalandungan, ug atong ihalal sa Ginoo, mahimo kini magkahuluganon.
Now how do I begin when all that I can think of are the memories of us? How can I be strong when out of all these songs there's a memory of how we used to be.
Bungan mo po sa Ginoo sa pagpaparay ng Santos nga misa nga sa kanunay iyang naglagan aron kinabuhi nga iyang gihatag kanato atong sa mapuslan sumala siya kaubuton nga puno sa pagigugma ug paglaom ug nga magmalimayon kita ining kinabuhi luyo sa tanang mga pagsulay nga maabot sa atong kinabuhi.
It wasn't just me. I loved you. How could you?
To Papa, pagligon pa, dyan pa kami o mga anak, ug naapay mo mga apo. Dagang plano ninyo ni Mama, ug plano ni Mama, ato pa na i-fulfill in God's perfect time.
Memories of us. How can I be strong when out of all these songs there's a memory of how in the blink of an eye it's a sudden goodbye. Girl, you got me so high, high in love with the light. Why, love, why?
Sa ako mga igsuon, let's be strong. Let's make our Mama proud. Di na ta mag-away, kay si Mama di gusto na mga problema na mag-away-away. Di ta maghimo na ikasakit sa iya kasing-kasing, mag-uol siya.
How can I be strong when out of all these songs there's a memory of how?
Ma, be our guardian angel. We love you so much, Ma. Thank you for everything.
You gave me joy in your kitchen. You gave me the room with a view of the yard. Wherever gave me the best of your heart, and you carried my rocks in your pocket. Flowers and feathers and butterfly wings, and you had an answer for all of my questions. You showed me wonderful things, and I know that it hasn't been easy. I hope that I love like you do, 'cause I know that this world would be better if everyone had a mother like you. And you make the best macaroni, and we never cared that it came from the box. The mom in the stands, always clapping her hands, was cheering and still hasn't stopped. And you held me when I came home crying, 'cause someone said something that just wasn't true. And I always said that Janelle was my best friend, but really it's always been you. And I know that I haven't been easy. I hope that I love like you do, 'cause I know that this world would be better if everyone had a mother like you. A mother like you. Second was born in September. I still can't believe I have kids of my own. I look in their eyes and I can't help but wonder, who will they be when they're grown? And I know it won't always be easy. I hope I can love like you do, 'cause I know that my kids will be better if they have a mother like you. If I am a mother like you, 'cause I had a mother like you. A mother like you.
Sa sinapupunan mo, pag-ibig mo'y tanging kapiling ko. Sa tali na nagdurugtong sa akin at sa'yo, tumadaloy ay buhay at pagmamahal mo. Ganda ng ating daigdig, ang aking unang pag-iyak sa tainga mo ay awit. Walang pagsidla ng ligaya sa iyong dibdib. kang kay tamis. Sa aking unang pagkapang ay naroon ka. Unang salitang natutunan ko'y tawagin ka. Salamat po, Inay, sa dakilang pag-ibig mo. Handang tiising lahat, buhay maiaalay mo. Salita'y di man sapat, sana'y pakinggan sigaw nitong aking puso. Mahal kita, Inay. Salamat po. Turuan mo na harapin anumang sa'kin ay dumating. Itinuro ang tamang landas sa buhay na tatahakin. Ilang beses mang magkamali, hindi ako tinatakwil. Tahimik kang lumuluha sa tuwing ako ay suwain. Anumang yugto ng buhay ko ay naroon ka. Ipinadama mong hindi ako nag-iisa. Salamat po, Inay, sa dakilang pag-ibig mo. Handang tiising lahat, buhay maiaalay mo. Salita'y di man sapat, sana'y pakinggan sigaw nitong aking puso. Mahal kita, Inay. Salamat po. Kahit saan pa man ako makarating, lahat ng pangaral mo ay dadalhin, ay dadalhin. Salamat po, Inay, sa dakilang pag-ibig mo. Handang tiising lahat, buhay maiaalay mo. Salita'y di man sapat, sana'y pakinggan sigaw nitong aking puso. Mahal kita, Inay. Mahal kita, Inay. Mahal kita, Inay. Salamat po.
JJ Heller, and you can probably guess that I have a huge heart for moms. I've been writing songs of hope and peace for parents and kids for years now. You can find it wherever you listen to music. It's called I Dream of You, and my brand new album, I Dream of You, Volume 2. So go listen to it, play it over your kids all night long, and I pray that it's a blessing to your family.
She gave me life, showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and as time went on, she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. There's nothing in the world like a mother's love. She filled every need, made my life complete. And time again, she was with me to the end. She'll believe your dreams, however hard they seem. When you'd almost given up, she was there to lift you up. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Oh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love, and she would do it all again for the chance to help you win. She was the one who gave it all. She was the one through every fall. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Oh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love. Like a mother's
I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the